Sop up some of that egg yolk. Yes, sir. Some power outages, but hey, I got power back on, and I'm still coming outside to cook. Well, look here. I came up with this meal by accident a few weeks ago at home. I was poking around for a quick breakfast, and I thought of this as an idea. So we're going to do a pimento cheese and egg breakfast sandwich. That's right. We got bread, the honey wheat variety, butter, an egg, and some good old South Carolina pimento cheese. That's right, the original. Let me get you in on that. Can you see it? If you don't have this, you need to come down here to South Carolina and visit us and take you back some good old South Carolina pimento cheese. But in the meantime, we're gonna cook up this here breakfast sandwich. Oh yeah, I got water. That's because I'm thirsty. We're not cooking with it. Fire! Come on. Well, that was lackluster. Anyhow, got fire. We need a skillet. Never put this skillet on this stove. We're gonna see what we get. Might burn my egg. That's probably way too much gas. Let's fire. There we go. Let that warm up a hair. All right, we need some butter for a proper fried skillet egg. I was gonna bring along some salt and pepper, but you know what? I forgot to put it in the bag. Oh yeah, there we go. Come on, one-hander, Bear, one-hander. There we go. Ha ha. No shell. Perfect. Well, while my fried egg does fried egg stuff, we should pimento cheese up some bread. And you know, when I made this at home, I just made it right on the bread. I'm thinking about toasting it up like an old grilled cheese sandwich. And what I did when I was at home was I left my egg just a hair runny. Not too much, just a little bit. Oh yeah. You wanna see that? Good stuff there, y'all. That's right, straight up from the low country. Pawleys Island pimento cheese. And I don't know that it made a difference, but I made a little well in the center for my yolk when I did this at home. Looks like my yolk is going to be offset on this egg. Uh-oh. Looks like she's ready to flip, y'all. Let's see what do we got? Woo, come back here, egg. Slippery little sucker. There we go. Come on. I'll have a little more solid cook on that yolk. Might flip her back over just a minute. Alright, well there we go. We're just going to drop her right there in the sandwich just like that. And if you don't want to toast your bread, at this point you're going to slice that puppy and eat it. Well, you're going to fold this over first. But I'm thinking, let's see, let's add just a touch more butter back on that guy. Let's get a touch more butter back on there. And I think we're going to go grilled cheese style. We're going to toast that bread up today. That's right. Oh yeah. There we go. A little toast action. Probably could have used just a hair more butter for that side of the bread, but we'll be all right. Now, if you want to fancy this up a little more at camp, you can cook you off some bacon and put it on there. That would be really yummy too. But you know, this was just me scrounging them around in my refrigerator one day, thinking, what can I have for breakfast? Get you right in there for that slice action. That's right. Here you go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. See there? A little young, runny yolk to dip the bread in. Well, let's give it a taste. Uh-oh. Spillage. I mean, come on, y'all. Oh, look at that cheese oozing out of there. A little bit of runny yolk. Oh, my. All right, well, let's give her the old taste tester. You know, this one's for me, but I've got more bread and I've got more eggs. So, you know, we could take care of you too. Let's give her a taste tester. See if she was as good today as it was at home the other week. Spillage. Mm-hmm. Oh man, look here, y'all. That's a win. I mean, that's the good stuff right there. Hard to beat. It was easy to do. But that's all I got for you this week. We'll see you on the trail.